Magandang hapon po ng March 22, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 22, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, March 22, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'Si Yogen later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 22, 2025 Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, March 22, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for March 22, 2025 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.